Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Trav, and today I am back with a new video, and today I am going to be unboxing this guy right here. Yes, you read it right. It's the Elgato Wave 3 mic. I read the specs. The specs was perfect. I read the comments on how it was performing for people, and a lot of people said that they like it. I am currently using the Blue Yeti mic right now. The sound on here is perfect. I do my voiceovers on here. I do my videos, gaming videos. This mic has been with me from day one. So I just wanted to try a new mic out. So it comes with the specs on the side of the mic. So it tells you exactly what's inside the box, what the mic does come with. But before I get on with the video and unboxing this baby right here, I just want to let you guys know, just for some of the people out there that's curious about, you know, all this product that I have unboxed on my channel. I purchased it out of my hard-earned money just to bring back to the table and unbox it for you guys, just in case you guys wanted to know exactly what's inside the box, how it looks. And you know, I enjoy that, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not getting sponsored by any of these companies. I do purchase these items out of my hard-earned money, out of my pocket. But enough, let's get this baby open. Yeah. We got the handy dandy blade, you know, remember the handy dandy blade. I had to bring this back, so let's just open this. All right, so we're gonna open this. We ain't gonna be so gentle with this baby. Maybe I might be gentle, but all right, we just tossed that box to the side. Now, whew, it was a box inside of a box. Oh my God, they actually protected it good too. I like how they protected the box and everything, so that the mic doesn't get damaged during travel. But you see this around here, we're gonna pull that flap down, and then we have some instructions on the Wave 3 mic. The writing is too darn small, as you guys can see. The writing is too darn small on here. And yeah, I wear glasses, so now I'm gonna have to strain my eyes a little bit extra just to read these darn instructions, but oh well. So we got a little packet right here, has the Elgato logo, put that right there. We got this that we don't need. All right, so what we all been waiting for is the mic. So they put it in some nice plastic. Let's get you out of here. Come on. It doesn't even want to come out. Like, come on, man. Jeez. Spend all this darn money on you. You don't want to come out the freaking packet. Jeez. There's nothing else in the box. See this? Ah, forget it. Alrighty. So this is the mic itself. It came nicely packaged. The mic is a little bit loose inside the package, the plastic thing. So, this is the mic. It's pretty much smaller than my Blue Yeti. Jeez. It's real small. Attention, peoples. Please put the mics on the table. Okay, so, anyways, we did enough of playing with the mic. So, basically, this mic is, it's easy to fold forward and go backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards. And then in the back of the mic itself, it's going to be a USB-C port, which is great for me because I can actually charge my cell phone off of this same charger and then input the same cord inside my mic. So yes, I have an Android phone, and basically I can use the same USB-C to USB to charge my phone. That's the exciting part for me. But anyways, yes, we have a headphone jack. Yes, for the headphones, if you decide to connect your headphones and everything up to this mic, then basically you can do so just to hear yourself or just to hear the audio, gameplay, voiceovers, because that's exactly what I do with my Blue Yeti. I put the headphones on so that I know that if my voice is a little bit too loud or if it's a little bit too low or if it's just right, then I know exactly the sound of my mic that I want and I desire that kind of sound. If it's too high, you're gonna hear that staticky sound. If it's too low, then nobody's hardly gonna hear you. And if it's medium, which is just right, just like the Three Bears, just right with the porridge, that's how my mic is, right? Like, I need to get my mics right for the sound. But anyways, on the top you have a mute button. So what I was hearing, you can actually just tap it and then basically it will go on mute, so nobody will actually hear you. And then on the front is the nozzle where you can control the volume of the audio that you're actually hearing through the mic. And also you can actually press this. So it has 3 settings when you press this. So let's just power this on and see how it works. Alrighty, peoples, let's get this mic on the show. Let's get this mic on the road. It's not even on. But anyways, let me get this mic all powered up. But before I do that, I need to show you what's inside here. I almost forgot to show you guys what's inside here. So basically it's the cord that I was talking about. We don't need this. And we don't need, oh, actually we do need it. I'm about to throw you. Alrighty, so anyways, it has the USB to USB-C. 2 items inside the box along with the instructions on how to get this mic started. And small words like, come on, man, I wear glasses over here, man. How am I supposed to read this? Like a textbook, like, really? Reminds me of when I was in school, man. Like, how am I gonna, hold on, let me put on my glasses, man. All right, so I had to get my glasses. Hold on, my glasses are a little bit dirty. Dirty. So I had to get my glasses and everything, and try to read this stuff. Okay, nobody cares. Alrighty, so, nobody cares even about this one either. We just figured it out as we go. But anyways, let's just get this thing powered on and basically, as you can tell, get this thing all powered on and, basically see how it works. Alrighty. Okay, first and foremost, guys, you want to just untie these things that's like actually holding the cord together. So you just twist them, keep on twisting. You know, I gave up. Cut it with my blade. If you got a blade, just cut it. Cut it off. Just make sure you don't cut the cord, because if you cut the cord, then you just plain old crazy. So basically, you take this part right here, the USB-C, and then you turn the mic around, and then basically you just plug it in right about there. If we can get it in the hole, that's yep, there we go. So we're gonna actually plug this in and see how it turns on. Alright, so basically we turned on the mic. Okay, so we have to have a computer in which once we plug this into the computer, then basically it will download, we will have to download an app. And therefore, once you download the app plays as your own little sound bar, so you can actually up the gain, which is the gain. If it's too high, then your voice is too high and you're gonna have that screeching sound. And if it's too low, then basically you're not gonna be heard. And if it's just right, then basically you got the exact sound level. But anyways, if you tap right here, as you notice around this ring right here, it actually turned red. But if I tap again, it turns blue. That means it's unmuted. But if I tap it again and it turns red, that means it's muted, so nobody can hear you through the audio exchange or anything like that. So if you actually turn up this volume right here, you can actually see the volume go up and down. So this is down and this is up. And if you actually press on this nozzle, you can actually tell at the top right here, just pay attention guys, I'm gonna just put it up like that. You actually switch the modes. So each mode has its own volume. Each mode has its own gain volume, as I like to say. So if the volume is too loud, then you can turn it down. If the gain is too loud and you hear that screeching sound through your headphones, or if you hear that screeching sound on your videos, then you can turn the gain down through the app. So I will show you guys that a little bit later. So basically you turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, and then you turn it down. And then if you want to switch back into the modes, you can just press that. So what I want to say about this mic is that it's way smaller compared to my Blue Yeti. My Blue Yeti stands tall, and it also is more bolder than this one. This one looks like a punk to my Blue Yeti rather than this one looking tough. But it's not about how their looks are. It matters about what the sound is that it produces. My Blue Yeti, like I said before, my Blue Yeti has been holding me down ever since day one I have gotten it. This one, on the other hand, I don't know if it's gonna hold me down. I mean, I was reading the specs and the comments, and people are saying, you know, that this mic right here produces the best sound too. So if I turn my Blue Yeti around, I have my gain button, so I can reduce the gain like I was telling you guys, or I can decrease the gain, and also my settings right here to go from mode to mode. But even though I have to like turn it, and sometimes it's a little bit hard, but you can turn it from mode to mode. This one, on the other hand, is basically smaller and easier to turn mode. So the only thing I have to do is just click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, or like just like turn down the volume right here, in which my Blue Yeti has no problem turning down the volume right here too. You know, this is the volume nozzle right here. So under the Blue Yeti, as you guys can see, you have the aux port where you could plug in your headphones, and then you have the power port where you have to power on the Blue Yeti. This one, the difference is basically in the back of it, you have the USB-C power port, and then you have the aux port. Same thing, just different ports. But like I said, this mic from day one held me down. So, you know, I have no problems with this mic right here. You know, it's been there for me. So, you know, I just had to get him a hat, you know. Nice furry hat, so that, you know, the sound when it goes through the mic, then basically, you know, the mic will actually produce the sound that I want. But anyways, let's just set this baby up fully and then show you guys how exactly it works. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to download the app from the Elgato.com website. So right here, I'm just going down a little bit to just show you guys how the mic actually looks on display on their video. But actually, I hit the download button, and in the download area, I'm going to select product, which I select Wave 3 product because this is the Wave 3. Down here, it's going to show my computer. Up here, it's going to show which computer you have. You can choose between a Mac and a Windows. Right there, I chose a Mac because I am working off of a MacBook. Down here, you're going to see the download area where you're going to have to click on that to download. It says thanks for downloading. The download is free. So after you finish clicking on that icon down at the bottom of your web browser, right here it's going to show you the license and terms and conditions. You continue, you could agree or disagree, in which I agree to install the app. Right here it's going to prompt me to enter my password so that I can grant it permission to download this third-party app to my computer. Right here, I'm going to click install software. Right here, I have to wait for it to install the packages, the scripts, etc., etc. Now, I'm going to get a blockage right here because now I have to grant the app permission to work on my computer. A lot of y'all might see this message, but don't worry, just grant it permission. Now for some of you that's wondering how to unblock this, just open your security preferences, and here it's going to take you to security and privacy. At the bottom you're going to just click that allow to allow the app to open on your computer, but this is going to prompt you to restart your computer. So I click not now, but it's going to require you to restart your computer to open the app. So just make sure you do that so that the app can open fully, because sometimes with new apps you have to restart your computer. So now that we granted permission and restarted the computer, now that we got the app up and running, now it's time to set up the mic. Now we're going to go over here to output device, and we're going to automatically click on Elgato Wave 3 mic. So right here it's going to show the lines of your volume, or your volume to turn up and down. We click next, and here we can add different mics. We can add different softwares to actually work along with this app. So we can add up to 6 apps, or maybe mics, or whatever you want to add. But right here is going to tell you can add the Elgato, you can add the OBS, you can add the Restream, and then we're gonna click on next. But right before we click on next, I'm going to just show you you can add even the built-in mic that's built into your computer. So we're gonna click next, and here we actually completed the setup. So this is showing you what it will work with. It will work with voiceovers, podcasts, etc, etc. Here, right here is the volume of the microphone, the headphones, the gain, and everything like that. As you can tell, the volume is going up, going down, and then the gain is going up, it's going down, and then also down here is the volume to actually hear from the mic, or like what the viewers or like the people are looking at you here. Right here on the bottom is the stream output. That is awesome, because you can actually add your restream and then control the volume from there, from your mic, from what people will hear. And then you can also add, I can add my Blue Yeti on here. So this is an awesome app. I'm gonna go ahead and try to hook up my Blue Yeti microphone to see if it actually does work. And voila, it does work. As I'm speaking into the Blue Yeti and also the Wave 3 mic, they both work. As you can see, the wavelengths of the volume when I'm speaking into the mic, the waves are going up to let them know that my audio is actually coming through. This app is also awesome because you can actually use your Restream, your Streamlabs, and your OBS and have it in one spot. So Elgato did their thing on this one, having everything in one spot. Thanks guys for watching, and tune in for more from me, myself, Trav. And also please like, comment, also subscribe. And you know what I like to say at the end is deuces.